Welcome to Hot Cross One's production podcast number 4. Today we are going to talk about everything IPL. The new IPL season is starting on 19th September, which is 4 days away from today. We are recording this on 15th September. And we have certain thoughts about the IPL as well as the Indian national team. So today, actually, first we'll talk about the Indian national team. We've got two roles that are in contention, and that is the number 4 and the wicket keeper. Who do you guys think will take up these spots and who is in contention for it?
My bet for the wicketkeeper spot is Rishabh Pant because BCCI has been giving him chances and they consider him as a talent who they can develop and use for a long time in the future, and they themselves have said that. So I think Rishabh Pant will get chances, a lot of chances initially, but then let's see. But my bet is Rishabh Pant.
Sudash?
Okay. According to me, I think KL Rahul might be India's wicketkeeper number 4 because they can play another all-rounder down the order. Like if both wicketkeeper and batsman become like number 4, so I think KL Rahul and even Virat Kohli also has told recently like KL Rahul might be the wicketkeeper for India in long term.
See, I know we are re-recording this podcast, but I think my views have changed a little since then. I feel at some point, right, Virat Kohli can also come down the order and send a number 3 instead, of which we have a lot, like Shubman Gill.
Yeah.
And but currently,
Mm.
for now, for number 4, let me talk about wicket keepers first. For wicket keeping, I think Rishabh Pant is going to be the number 1 option. But if it was me, for me personally, it would be Sanju Samson. But Sanju Samson isn't playing very well.
Yeah, then if me personally, then for me the
Yeah.
safest bet is Dinesh Karthik because he has the experience, he has the what do you call it, the ability to come and finish. And the best example that I can give is what he did against Bangladesh. वो just आया 7 बॉल में 22 मारा
हाँ,
गया.
वो
So
मजा
like yeah, man, he has that experience, and I've seen in the last 3-4 years he has gained that momentum. Specifically in the last 3 years, not 4 years, but he has gained that the
Even
so-called finisher
Ishan
role.
Kishan might also be
हाँ,
a proper wicketkeeper batsman.
yeah,
If they
actually,
groom how they are grooming Rishabh Pant.
yeah,
Yeah,
Ishan Kishan is definitely one of those 4 or 5 players that is in contention for that role.
yeah, it also actually matters
Yeah.
like how they groom players because uh, I just see Rishabh Pant getting the maximum chances. Yeah, so with that, what I want to say is, it's important to give all the young wicket keepers a chance to be groomed because all I see what BCCI does is Rishabh Pant getting most of the chances
Hmm.
for grooming because he is considered as that so-called talent, as to say.
Yeah.
But then I believe there are many great keepers out there who have the potential to become great keepers in the future as well. So it's important to give each of them equal chances and then decide rather than just giving one player chance and saying that yeah he can be the future of the cricket team.
I think for me it is obvious by a mile that Rishabh Pant is the best keeper we have in the very wicket keeping sense. But I feel Sanju Samson is just a better batsman. Like I know this would be weird to say about Sanju Samson, लेकिन वो ऋषभ पंत से ज़्यादा टिकता है. And in that same vein, I think
But
even
just tell why it is weird. Just tell why it is weird कि वो ऋषभ पंत से ज़्यादा टिकता है.
yeah, because Sanju Samson opens, he scores 2 balls and then he scores 2 sixes and then he gets out. That has been his routine for like so much time within the Indian squad now. I mean, okay, Rishabh Pant, frankly, he can stay on the crease for a long amount of time. Yes, Rishi, very nice cup there. He stays on the crease for a very long time. I feel he can do that, but only when he's in form. When he's out of form, he just he is like a ball absorber of sorts. He wastes balls and then he gets out, and then suddenly the next batsman comes into a situation where he's like, oh no, what do I do? And the worst person to have in that situation is Kedar Jadhav. Unmute.
Subhash,
I think
unmute.
even Jadhav might be a proper number 4 for India in future.
Yaar?
They might consider him.
Bro, what
Jadhav,
future are you
Kedar
talking
Jadhav.
about?
Jadhav.
What future? What
No,
future are you
Jadhav is
talking about?
33. 34?
Yeah.
I don't know. No, they picked Jadhav over someone, Ambati Rayudu, in this
I
World
don't
Cup
like it
squad.
when the BCCI chooses Jadhav over anybody.
Yeah. Bro,
Yeah, I also
bro,
don't
when
like.
we talk
But
about future, it's Pradyumna. He is the
ये
future.
फुटबॉल का पॉडकास्ट में किया, अभी क्रिकेट का भी पॉडकास्ट में करना है क्या?
Bro, it actually started with cricket podcast, if you don't remember. But then we had to reshoot the cricket podcast. So then, yeah.
They can use an off spinner like me.
Hmm.
लेकिन I think my career will be threatened because anyway अश्विन को तो लेते नहीं है, मेरे को क्या लेंगे?
Bro, वो two है. If they don't choose you, they are losing on the wrong Tamilian guy.
Okay, back to the topic. I think Dinesh Karthik, for the reasons that we were talking about earlier, will not be chosen. And I don't like at one point, like if you were talking to me a year ago, I would say choose Dinesh Karthik. There is no other wicketkeeper that you should choose in India. But
Yeah, I
then,
think that's what they did for the World Cup, right? Dinesh Karthik को ही लिया एक साल पहले.
so
But then even he's getting old. That's like true.
yeah, he's getting old. So I think he's also past that point where you can, where he should be chosen over a promising youngster, because it's not like Rishabh Pant can absolutely not play. He's not at that point where he needs to be brought in only when we are guaranteed to win a match. He needs to be put in those situations where it's like, you know what, we trust you, go play. For those
Yeah,
same reasons, I think Dinesh Karthik cannot be chosen.
but I
Yeah,
also feel
that's true. That's
Dinesh
true.
Karthik can offer like more 3 years. Like he can be wicketkeeper for more 3 years because like he hasn't faced so many like pressure or like thing like how Dhoni has faced. So I think like it's still like a fresh guy. Like he doesn't look old also like that old also. So I think he's fit and also I think like more 3 years or like 3.5 years he can play.
Bro, he doesn't look old. मतलब उसको ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि they'll let him play.
Yeah, bro.
Like
Frankly, even Kane
क्या
Bravo
बोलते
looks
like
the same way he looked 10 years ago.
no, like I'm not telling like physically, but like the thing like hasn't gone through so much pressure like how much Dhoni has gone through like with captaincy or anything. Like he is only the captain of what is a KKR, so like I
Yeah.
think like he can play for 3 more years. I'm talking about the fitness and other stuff. Like yeah,
Yeah, so I think we are good with the wicketkeeper discussion. Now let's get back to number 4 and
एक आदमी
probability of
एक आदमी
and probability of either a future one down or something like that. Again, I would talk about Shubman Gill with him being one down and Virat Kohli dropping down the order. Oh, by the way, Yuvraj Singh out of retirement.
What?
Yeah,
yeah, you're right.
When did that happen?
Retirement, yeah, and
yeah,
he's also
Yuvraj
playing
Singh.
BPL.
Yeah, he wrote a letter to BCCI that he's out. He's coming out of retirement right now.
Yeah,
Then I say number 4 युवराज सिंह को डाल दो, मतलब नंबर 4 में किसी और को डाल दो. Oh God, please take out Kedar Jadhav. Please take out Kedar Jadhav. Please take out Kedar Jadhav. What are you doing with Kedar Jadhav when you've got Yuvraj Singh?
yeah, and like
True.
Yuvraj Singh is also going to play Big Bash League. They are looking for a proper team for him, like contract and all.
Yeah, he's one of the few players that actually got the chance to play outside of India, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, even but
Praveen Tambe.
Praveen Tambe plays, but didn't get a chance. Like yeah,
Arey,
Tane
No, he
is
so
can't
the
play
highest
for
wicket
in
keeper in
Indian leagues.
wicket taker in this one, right? CPL.
CPL, yeah. And
yeah,
his
he
economy is
played
also
for
below 4.
Yeah,
yeah, he
man.
played for Trincomalee Knight Riders, right?
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now he has joined KKR's coaching staff.
Wow.
Yeah.
Coaching. Yeah. It's KK coaching stuff. Yeah, I read that article.
Yes.
Yeah.
So last year or
And
this year,
Ali,
he was the KKR spinner, but then something happened, like some issue happened. Then he later on went on becoming the spinner of TKB, and then since he is part of the Knight Riders, that family, so now they took him as the some coach, some
Pin
some
coach.
mentor or so. Yeah, so this is the thing, and that's how KKR got Ali Khan, right?
Ali Khan, yeah. First US player to play
Yeah.
in IPL.
Yeah. Back
He's
to
a
the
good
point.
replacement, yeah.
Back to the point.
Oh yeah, from
Number
Yuvraj
4,
Singh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Number 4. Yeah.
Yeah. So what do we
My
talk?
For me, number 4 might be Manish Pandey. Manish Pandey can be number 4.
Dude, are you purposely missing out Shreyas Iyer?
Oh, yeah.
Are you
Shreyas
guys
Iyer, yeah, Shreyas
purposely
Iyer. Yeah.
missing out on Shreyas Iyer? Because I'll come and smack you in the
Oh, I
face.
forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, Shreyas Iyer is also like, he's the best now. Like, now, he's the best replacement for number 4, yeah.
Yeah,
No one
because
else.
I get the arguments that Mayank Agarwal can fit in there, that Manish Pandey can fit in
Manish
there,
Pandey,
but Manish Pandey sadly is
Uttappa.
past his prime, and Mayank Agarwal is he's good, but then how can I just say that Shreyas Iyer seems to be better right now?
hmm.
Yeah. I think Mayank Agarwal is like more type of opener or like one down player than a number 4 player, like middle order batsman. Like he's like
Perhaps.
opener. But I think
Yeah,
like yeah, Shreyas Iyer is the best now. Like we have number 4.
yeah. I think
And
that
with that, actually, the thing is, Shreyas Iyer and Prithvi Shaw, both of them are good, and I'm so glad that two of our friends have done so good in the field of cricket, in taking India's name so high. Like,
ऋषि चलेगा
just
मैं
see.
यहाँ पर नीचे इमेज डाल दूंगा.
Yeah. But just for this, just see, man. See. बड़े बड़े अक्षरों में लिखा हुआ है 44 and 34 in 28 balls.
भाई
यहाँ भी
इंडिया
they
का
are
सबसे बेस्ट पार्टनरशिप है ये दोनों.
true, man. True. Okay, so I don't know. My bet still remains as Shubman Gill at 1 down and Virat Kohli at number 4.
I feel
I
the
would say
Shubman Gill at one down situation will come when Shikhar Dhawan is pushed out of the team slowly, and
Yeah.
Shubman Gill will obviously take his place over there.
yeah. Like I don't
Let's see.
think Virat
Yeah.
Kohli play number 4 because like it'll become like too much reshuffling the team and like the batting balance will go.
I definitely see Virat playing number 4 at a point when Shreyas Iyer, he sees that Shreyas Iyer is ready to play number 3.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean, Virat Kohli has to give up his pace and the batting order will reshuffle because you have got Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma who are at their so-called prime right now. You
Yeah.
can expect them to retire anytime after 3 to 4 years, I guess.
Actually, I don't see Rohit Sharma retiring even after 3 to 4 years, but I do see
Huh.
Shikhar Dhawan going out in around.
Shikhar Dhawan.
Shikhar
Yeah.
Dhawan and stuff. So a lot of reshuffling will take place and you just can't go on with the same amount of like this same names always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there will be reshuffling. So
I
and
think
I
the
think
reshuffling might happen first in T20s because like Virat Kohli told you in T20 is like trying to form a younger team, like
Yeah.
younger side than ODI and Test match they'll play with the same thing, but like I think T20 there might be a lot of chance.
I feel
Shubham,
that makes a lot of sense because
Yeah,
T20
yeah,
you require a kind of explosive intensity which can cause injuries in older players.
yeah.
yeah. And with that,
In
man,
that,
Hardik Pandya,
Oh,
what a player. What a
he,
player.
he is the god of T20 cricket in India right now. I don't think
yeah,
anybody can beat his performances in a T20 when he's in form. Nobody.
And what a player, man. But I think you can beat him.
यार ये किधर से आया यार
No, I mean, I have seen you back, and with that hair of yours, the first time I saw you bat, it felt like Lasith Malinga was batting, and that was so good. The way you were hitting sixes.
Oh wow. Subhash, if you don't remember what happened the last time I batted, I hit a ball lofted over to the leg side, and then we ran 3 runs, and I got run out on the third run.
no, I think it was like second year, no? Second year match
Second
See,
year, huh?
or third year?
and the
Definitely
best
was the
part
second
Second
about
year,
year.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
that match
Mm.
was our Pradyumna's team needed 2 runs to win, and that's why he got out in the third run. He is meant to be the best finisher out there.
Guys,
Okay,
more relevant things to discuss right now, such as which IPL team do you think is going to win the IPL? हाँ ठीक है तू तेरा ट्रॉफी
I
पकड़ कर बैठ I think it's going to be Mumbai.
I can't say like which team will win because like there's no home advantage or like away home
Yeah,
advantage. So like
true, true.
after initial 3 or 4 matches for each team, then we might know like according to the points table like who might win. Like then we might say like who. But I would say Chennai. Chennai has a lot of chance.
Dude, did you see that picture that Saurav Ganguly uploaded of some stadium in Dubai?
yeah,
And Dubai
Sharjah,
is
Sharjah.
Pakistan's home right now, Sharjah. क्या भूलता हूँ यार मैं. And
Sharjah, yeah.
Dubai is Pakistan's home right now, right? So the stadium actually
Mm.
has a big billboard of old Pakistani players back then, and Saurav Ganguly in his picture when he uploaded, he blurred out that billboard. That's kind of sad, man. Back before the 2000s and
Yeah.
the 90s, we actually had a good relationship between the Pakistani and Indian players.
And you also know some IPL broadcasting live is going to happen around like 120 countries, and Pakistan is not there in that 120 countries. Like there's no broadcast in IPL, like live broadcast in IPL.
I'm sure they'll pirate some stream, man.
Yeah,
Any person
but
who
there are like a
wants
lot
to
of
watch
memes that
the
are going.
IPL will watch the IPL. Will find a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Subhash, which team do you think? Why do you think CSK will win the IPL?
I'm not telling like Pakka CSK will win. I also want RCB to win, but like I think CSK are like balanced team. Like they have spinners, good spinners. Like 2 out of 3 stadiums in Dubai are like spin friendly. So and like most of the spinners are like all rounders, so they can bat. Like they can play with all spinners. Like all 6 bowlers are spinners also, and they can win the match. So I think they are like pretty balanced. Like Piyush Chawla can bat, Kishore can bat, like Raina
Piyush
can bat,
Chavla,
Santner can bat. Yeah,
Piyush Chavla can't
I
bat,
think.
bro. I have seen.
But like
I have seen. No, he just won us that final. I remember with that six, but then just because he sometimes manages to connect the ball and bat well, doesn't mean he bats well.
but like but it's Dhoni. Like Dhoni can make us play do
Ah,
whatever he can. So
that
यार
is
वो
that's
all-rounder
there.
है यार.
Yeah. But
yeah,
you
man.
know what, Rishi?
And
I can bet you Piyush Chawla will be the black horse for CSK. See.
Oh, dude, totally. When he
Yeah.
plays in the IPL, he always takes wickets.
See,
Yeah.
he's a great bowler. Uska spin, he is great with his variety. But then his batting, I'm sorry.
Oh, then you'll be sad to hear that Piyush Chawla was bought for 6.75
6
crores,
crores. Yeah.
which is so
Highest
much
Indian
higher
buy.
than the base price of 1 crore.
Bro,
Yeah.
he was the highest Indian buy, if I'm not wrong.
Hmm.
Yeah, if I'm
Piyush
not
Chawla.
wrong.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah,
I mean,
I
sure, he's a
guess.
match winner,
yeah.
but then he isn't much of
But
a
like
brand guy.
but like the thing is like they bought him because like I think CSK Chennai Shapeok is like more spin friendly. So I think that's where they got him also.
Yeah, and
Like
in
like
the end,
experienced
Chase is
spinner.
not happening.
Yeah. So I think that's why like then why else like Chennai would go behind them like for 6 crores. They only go behind good players like always
Yeah, true.
trademark players.
Yeah, he's the
Um,
costliest Indian player.
Yeah.
then let's talk about the costliest player period. My man, Pat Cummins, 15 crores.
But like
15.5, no?
Yeah, 15.5.
Adil Rashid and like Jofra Archer thrashed him for 18 runs in the last over in death over.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
Adil Rashid like he can't bat but like hit a 6-4 and like I think like the price tag value might affect his performance too much.
I don't
Ah,
I
see
think
ah,
so.
Cummins as
ah,
a.
ah.
I
I
don't
don't
see
think
Cummins
so.
as a finishing bowler. I feel he's much more of a
Yeah,
opener and
new ball.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. He
Yeah.
can swing the
Man,
ball a
he's
little and he can throw it
well.
pace.
Yeah, and I think
yeah,
with Kamlesh Nagar ko team now, KKR won't even have the problem of that death bowler ka scene.
death bowler.
देखो
Even
देखो एक्चुअली
Prasidh
देखना
Krishna is
पड़ेगा
there.
आईपीएल में कमलेश नगरकोटी कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. I understand the hype behind Kamlesh Nagarkoti, but then there has been hype behind a lot of players, and some of them just simply get smashed.
Yeah, but then Kamlesh Nagar ko is talent.
Yeah,
Of course,
talent.
he
Yeah,
has talent. I am
he
not
can field
denying that.
also. Yeah,
I am
Yeah,
saying
so
even
that.
like
Rahul Dravid has.
my argument here is why there is hype is because he has the talent. I've seen players being hyped just because they cost too much. Okay, so
Oh, dude, who was that player? Jaydev Unadkat. Ah.
yeah, I mean, why would you pay so much for that guy?
It's like everybody was like, "What? Jaydev Unadkat?"
Yeah, exactly. I don't understand. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, I think this year IPL will be great with youngsters as well. Like, look at KKR itself. They have Prasidh Krishna, they have Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Shubman Gill, they have Rinku Singh. Rinku Singh is one like middle order
Middle order
batsman.
batsman.
Yeah, and then he can hit some big shots. And man, with big shots, there's RCB opener Devdutt Padikkal. Man,
Yeah. Oh my God, that
bro,
guy is like
क्या
so
six
good.
मारता है bro क्या six मारता
Yeah,
है.
I think that even though like I don't know, but like I want him to see in the playing 11, like open with
Yeah,
Finch.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I think he'll open. I think he'll open.
yeah. That's why like I think Mike Tyson made AB de Villiers as a keeper so that they don't play Parthiv Patel and they give him chance in opening.
Man, one great advantage of RCB is Simon Katic right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Katic is going to
I
be
mean,
great for the team.
yeah, I mean, he only won us IPL.
So you've got somebody at least who's won something over there.
yeah. But
Yeah,
I don't know about Simon, but I think Mike Tyson has done really good job as like picking the players because like see that guy like the uncapped foreign player or someone like they got who's that Usru Udana
अरे वो
like
uncapped किधर है?
that,
इसरूदन is
yeah I
not
didn't
uncapped.
before that I don't know like he's the only I think like yeah I think he's the only uncapped no it's Josh Philippe yeah like it's Josh Philippe yeah Usru Udana they got him for like 20 lakhs but like the
50,
way
50.
he plays, like yeah, so good. Like his bowling is so good. Like
Yeah,
he has
he's
like
an
that.
excellent player in general. He can swing the ball a
Yeah,
little bit, but he's more of the bang it in the middle and then see how
Yeah,
it
yeah,
goes.
yeah.
yeah. I think like this time, like RCB, they didn't go for like fancy names like Chris Lynn or like Maxwell and all. They
They
went for like
seem to,
small,
they
small
seem
players.
to
Like I
also
didn't.
have a fair share of those fancy names as well. I mean,
Yeah, I
Yeah, like
got
mean,
Richardson,
only
yeah,
Aaron Finch. No, Aaron Finch was a big name they got.
and
yeah.
Richardson, yo.
Like I don't know, like who's Josh Philippe and or like after the auction, I went and saw like he's like wicketkeeper batsman for Sydney Sixers, and like he's finishing games for them like in the opening. And like more than that, this guy that Shazab Ahmed, he plays for West Bengal,
Yeah, 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 yeah. I've heard
best
about
all
him.
round.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that
Man,
guy like really good.
I want to talk about Delhi Capitals. What players do they have? I
Yeah, man.
mean,
Delhi
Sam,
Capitals is
what is
it's
that batting lineup?
seriously, man.
That batting lineup doesn't end. They
Hold on,
can play up.
mm,
Rishi and I had talked about this. Let me just
Yeah,
check it out for now.
yeah. They have a playing 11 full of batsmen. I mean, ये playing 11 bat करेगी.
Okay, check this out.
Pradyumna,
They've got Shreyas Iyer, Rishabh Pant, Ajinkya
Pradyumna,
Rahane, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Shimron Hetmeyer, Marcus Stoinis, Alex Carey. Yeah, that is it. But dude, that they are such big names.
yeah, Jason Roy is not playing. They have like Sam Daniels, that guy, like good bowler.
Yeah, and they've also got a damn good bowling attack. They've retained Rabada, which
Yeah,
is probably the
uh,
biggest job, that their first thing, their first priority. And then they've got Ravichandran Ashwin and they bought Ajinkya Rahane. I literally do not see how much better their signings can get.
yeah. And this guy is also good, no? Daniels, they like bought him as a replacement for
Yeah.
Jason Roy.
Yeah,
That guy is also good.
I think arguably Delhi Capitals has had the best auction season.
Yeah, man. I mean,
Yeah,
what a what a team. And the best thing about this team is like they have built a team with balance, youngsters, experience, and एकदम थोड़ा ज़्यादा experience
Hmm.
वाला stuff, so that it's like they are building something for the future.
Exactly. I think you can see the trail of that from last season where Apna Admi, Shreyas Iyer captained the team and then he
अपना
took the team
आदमी.
and he took the team so far,
Yeah,
as a 23
yeah,
year old, which is simply crazy. And then you can only just think, what will they do now that he has
man.
had accumulated all of this experience playing for the Indian team, and then you've got all of these players to support him. I think it's going to be great, man.
but
True,
like
true.
I also feel like this might be their weakness also because like uh, there are like a lot of good players there, but who to fit in playing 11 will be like a big confusion for the captain and like Ricky
Yeah,
Ponting because
especially
Yeah,
in that
true.
batting
I think
lineup.
yeah, having player like Chris Wokes and they also have this one West Indian guy. I forgot his name. What was it?
Timo Paul.
Hitman, Hitman.
नहीं नहीं एक और ऑलराउंडर है उसका नाम कुछ है
Timo Paul, no?
Kimo Paul, yeah. So there'll be a confusion between him and him, and then like even opening also whether they should play like what to say,
You've
Ajinke
got
or like
Prithvi
Shikhar
Shaw,
or like
Ajinkya
Prithvi.
Rahane. Who
Yeah,
else?
I,
See, I
Shikhar
think they
Dhawan.
will play. I think they'll play Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar
Prithvi
Dhawan
Shaw and
only,
Shikhar.
Yeah.
And number
because it's
three,
a
who's
right
that?
and left hand, right and
Right
left
hand
hand
left hand
Combination,
option.
yeah,
combination, and Ajinkya Rahane can come down the order as well. Like
yeah,
one
Yeah,
down, two down.
yeah. So like that might be their weakness also, and they don't have a good spinner like Indian spinner, like good Indian
yeah.
spinner.
Don't they
Ravichandran
have Amit
Ashwin,
Mishra?
Ravichandran Ashwin,
Ash,
Amit Mishra.
Yeah. And they've
yeah,
also
but like
got Ashwin this time, bro.
yeah, but this guy will. They mostly play this guy, no Sandeep, that Nepali.
Amit Chhane is also
Play,
very
yeah,
good.
yeah, but like they give more preference to this guy that fellow from Nepal, like Sandeep Lakmanchi or Lamachi.
Lamit Chhane.
Yeah, yeah. They play more over Amit Mishra.
Again, Lamit Chhane is also a really good player.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, that's what like their 4 foreign players might be very difficult to pick
I think
for them.
I
Like
think if there's one place where Delhi might be lacking compared to the rest of its players, I think it's pace. They don't have a
hey,
real pace threat.
Rabada.
Yeah,
Rabada and Sam
Rabada aside.
Daniels.
Huh?
Daniels. Sam Daniels.
I don't know
Yeah,
about
yeah, Sam.
Daniels.
Yeah, yeah, Sam Daniels is there,
He,
no?
yeah, he's a really good bowler. Like he can bowl
Hmm.
like in the opening also. He can play bowl in the death also. He was a leading wicket taker for in the BPL for
Oh,
Sydney Thunders or something. Yeah, I think
Hey, with
so.
that, even I think Subhash just guessed. So I told this to Pradyumna. I want you to guess. Guess who was the player with second highest strike rate in CPL?
What was it? Uh,
you can't talk about IPL without talking about this guy.
Yeah, second highest strike rate.
Russell.
Sunil Narayan.
Sune.
Strike rate of 148, and he was the second highest wicket taker.
First Praveen Tambira, na?
Man, two highest wicket takers from the same team.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
Damn.
I think
and like
Hey,
now that we are here now. Okay, Subhash, go ahead.
I think like what to say like CPL. I was watching CPL. Like the people who do good in IPL, they didn't play so well in CPL. I don't know why.
yeah,
Except
because
Pollard and Bravo and like PKR team. Except the team others all play like
see,
really bad.
see the TKR team is filled with the quality players, right?
Yeah,
And then one more thing, what I feel about IPL is that IPL itself has great Indian talents and a variety of players. And with that, you also need to keep in mind that there are many foreign players who cannot adjust to the Indian pitch. Like
Indian condition. Yeah,
to name a few, what come into my mind is Ben Stokes and Maxwell. Like Maxwell is great everywhere, but then when it comes to India, I don't know. Except that
yeah.
his like season, I don't
2014.
yeah, I don't remember which season. Apart from that, I don't see him being that explosive. And then Ben Stokes,
Yeah,
he'll go around and hit sixes everywhere in every part of the world. But then when it comes to India,
Yeah,
he'll
he
just
isn't that great in India.
he'll
yeah.
suffer.
Even Miller,
Yeah, Miller
Miller,
as well.
Miller.
He has that one
Yeah,
season in which Killer Miller.
2000,
Yeah,
2013.
it was the same season in which Miller and Maxwell had performed together, and it was mad.
Hmm.
No, 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 no. Maxwell came after Miller. Miller played in 2013. He made like fastest century against RCB, and then next year in UAE they got this guy. What to say? Maxwell.
Okay.
That was the only season he played good. Maxwell. After that, like all the matches, he has been like been a bunny for spinners. And Chehel has got him like what is 6 times or some 5 times. He got him out. Maxwell.
Yeah, I feel right now there's a great time to talk about RCB's recruitment. I mean, I think so far, every season, in fact, RCB has better recruitment than the last season. And I don't think anybody can argue with that. But, but I feel this time they forgot to retain the right players. The players that did perform for them, they have not retained, such as Marcus Stoinis. I feel Shimron Hetmeyer, now that he's actually started performing in the international scene, they should have retained him.
EPL, yeah.
They did not retain him or buy him back. And then they also chucked who? I forgot who else.
See, like with that, I really want to see how these big names they actually perform in an outside India condition, because
Yeah.
now this will be
True,
fun to
true.
watch.
Right now, there's not India, so you might
Yeah,
actually get all kinds of people firing, and then you know that most Indian players don't play outside of India a lot, so we might have Indian players failing a lot.
exactly, exactly.
So what I feel like about what Mike Tyson has done with RCB this time is like all the time, like they have got all foreign players, big foreign names like Chris Gale, AB de Villiers, or like then Marcus Jonas. These people like Hitmeyer and all. McCallum was playing for RCB and all. Dick Cock. So this time I feel they are trying to build a younger team, like with young players. Like this time I can see names like this guy, what's Sani or Shazab, and then Devdutt Padikkal. These players, like, and like I would say, like RCB got this guy like Finch. After buying Finch, like I think RCB has like more option to play more guys. Like after Finch and Devdutt Padikkal, they can be like Virat Kohli and then AB de Villiers. Then Gurkitman is also good. Like he's playing good.
Yeah.
And then like Dubey or like Washington or Shazab. So like they have like a good balanced team, like batting order and then bowling also. So I think like Mike Tyson has done really good this time for RCB. I feel. I was
See,
like
but then
Maxwell आ गया अब देख RCB उठाएगा
but what I feel with
RCB उठाएगा
RCB,
अब उठाएगा
हेलो हेलो हाँ या मेरे को लगा आ
हाँ
नहीं रहा
हाँ
है आवाज
so what I feel with RCB is like they always have that starting ka punch, like they have right now as well. But then when you consider their middle order with teams like Chennai, Mumbai,
Yeah.
KKR, like as you said, Gurkirat and then Washington Sundar and stuff, they have RCB have them in the middle order, whereas KKR have Dinesh Karthik and Andrew Russell. CSK has
Nitish Rana
Mahendra
as well,
Singh.
by the way.
Yeah, but I see Nitish Rana coming up a little up right now because Sinsu Thappa isn't there.
yeah yeah
Yeah. As in by up, it's like just at number 4 because number 1, I assume it will be Win Morgan. Yeah, so with that, they don't have that one experienced batsman. So it's like if you get RCB's top order, then it's easy to get RCB out at any time. So
yeah
they're lacking that one.
Yeah.
And I think the best thing any team has done with that and with recruiting talent, it's Mumbai. I mean,
yeah they
they
have like
recruit
good
talent so well, and then they give, wow, bro, it actually feels like I'm talking to Subhash, ABD, Pradyumna, and Chahal.
Look, the ABD and Chahal are such good listeners, man.
Yeah, man. Hi, guys. Okay, guys, let's start a hashtag. Chahal, please comment. Yeah.
Chahal, please comment.
Yeah, hashtag Chahal, please comment
I
on our post. Since you are
I
everywhere, we
think where
want you to be here with us. हाँ सुभाष बोल.
I think where like Mumbai and Chennai are doing really good are because like they focus more on domestic cricket. Like they look
Yeah.
for good domestic players. Like in Mumbai, they have like Pandya brothers. Like they are from Mumbai and they played for all domestic
Ishan
games for Mumbai
Kishore.
and they got him. And that Siddesh Lad, yeah, Siddesh Lad
Siddesh
and
Lad is
Surya Kumar Yadav, all are from
Siddesh Lad is in KKR right now.
Oh,
last year Mumbai में था ना.
Yeah,
This year they got him. Yeah,
Yeah. इस साल से
yeah.
देश लड़के
So
KKR
like
में है.
even in Chennai now they got this Sai Kishore and one more
see
guy
the
I
worst
think
thing about
Ali.
yeah, the worst thing about KKR and Mumbai ka is this only ki see this I want to point it out because even KKR had Surya Kumar Yadav. KKR right now have
Yeah,
Shubman Gill, but until now Shubman Gill didn't deserve. I mean, didn't get the chance what he deserved. Right? It
yeah,
was just Chrislin and Sunil Narayan
yeah.
opening, but I'm so happy he started. And Surya Kumar Yadav was sent when they were only last 1 over or something like that. But then now see how Mumbai utilized Surya Kumar Yadav. This is one thing I
yeah.
really like about Mumbai.
Like I think like Mumbai and KKR swapped their players. Like KKR was like मैं सूर्य कुमार यादव को दे दूंगा तू नीतीश राणा दे दे. Like they swapped. Like it was like that. Like he played number 3 for Mumbai, Nitish Rana, and now he's playing
Yeah.
for KKR, and this guy played like that. So see, like if I was in Kohli's place, like Virat Kohli's place, What I would do is like I would send Washington Sundar as like an opener, like what Gautam Gambhir sent Narayana as an opener, because like Washington Sundar has a century for Tamil Nadu domestic cricket. He can play six and all. He openly also said like I can be
Yeah.
the opener. What RCB
He
is
is an
looking for,
opener.
but I don't know why they are not. Yeah, why they are not trying something creative? Like they're going with like proper opener all the time, like Parthiv and Kohli. That's
I
the thing,
don't
like
think
where
Parthiv
RCB
in
is
my
going
team
wrong.
anymore, bro.
See, but right now, if they say Washington Sundar, I think that would be the dumbest thing ever.
Guys, we have a big guest.
Rahul, Arshad, Shreyas, I think.
Yeah,
Rahul.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns.
Rahul, we can't see you.
Hey, it looks like
Wait.
a Mukabala song that I can see your head and all. Only your body shaking.
Mukkala, mukkabula, lela.
Copyright strike.
Ella.
Don't copyright us. Wait, how do I change these video settings? Oh, there they are. Little background. None. Okay. And I'm back.
Nice, Rahul had a great sleep.
Oh, you figured out I slept off, huh?
It looks
Yeah, it's
like
clearly not visible with how clean your hair looks and how open your eyes are.
So what were you guys talking about?
Guess what? Football.
Oh, what a shock. And here I was prepared for cricket.
It's
Yes,
fine, bro.
as you know, Virat Kohli is the best football player, and Chahal is the second best. De Villiers is a
I mean,
great.
honestly, they could beat me in football.
What?
Honestly, like Virat Kohli and whoever that other guy is can beat me in football.
Did you just call him whoever that other guy is? I'm very offended.
Oh, Chahela.
See
Hey,
what?
no Japan.
See what?
Who's this guy?
What I can see is Chahal, Virat Kohli, and Pradyumna. Okay.
Oh, Chahela.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm not even
top
kidding.
three.
Pradyumna is literally standing there like a boss.
Yeah.
Hashtag play bold.
Play bold, yeah. Yeah, by the way, Rahul, I want you to say hashtag Chahal comment on our post.
Hashtag?
Chahal comment on our post.
Hashtag Chahal comment on our post.
वरना राहुल तेरे को बैट से मारेगा.
Nani?
Wait, that is not a very
Nani?
nice thing to say, no?
Yeah, it's not.
Wait, even I need a cocky smile to match this. Okay, since we lost track of our topics anyway, let's talk about. Of course, we've got one more thing to talk about after this, but who do you feel are the most underrated players in the IPL right now? Hi Rishi, samjha.
See, I know someone who is highly underrated, but he's not playing in IPL right now.
I know where this is going.
I mean, he has his college stuff and all
I
going
am
on.
playing in the IPL. I don't know what you're talking about. Hashtag
Oh yeah, true. So I think it has to be Pradyumna and no one else.
PPP.
Yeah. Okay, actually underrated player कौन है? I don't know, man. कौन है?
Yeah, underrated. Like
My pick is easy. For me, it's Rahul Tiwari.
I would say Manoj Tiwari for me. Manoj Tiwari is like very underrated.
I don't know, bro. I feel Rahul.
Yes.
Boys.
Subhash, I am here for
Representation.
RCB representation.
Hmm?
See, the reason I feel Rahul Tiwari, because okay, sure, he may not be able to anchor an innings. He is never able to anchor an innings, in fact. But any position you send him at, if he opens, if he's coming one down, if he comes two down, if he comes three down, four down, five down, six down, if he comes six down,
Yeah.
it is guaranteed that he is going to give you three sixes, two fours, and he'll get out without wasting balls. And I feel that is such an underrated quality in IPL in general. Any player
So do you
who does
want to
that needs to
say?
be valued.
So do you want to say the minimum runs he scores is 26?
तो अभी क्या
Yeah,
कुछ
but
calculate
Pradyumna, but like Rahul Tiwari played really good for Rising Pune Super Giant, no? Like as an opener, like when Steve Smith was a captain,
Yeah,
like
he has
he
played
played really
for
good. Like
RPS and he has played
yeah,
for
Rajasthan Royals.
Rajasthan Royals.
Rajasthan, like they're wasting him for a fact. Like they don't know where to play him also. Like I think this time they might be clear. They might send him opening because Ajinkya Rahane is not there, so we might open with Robin Uthappa or someone.
So wait, you guys think that there are no underrated players in IPL?
See,
I think
like
Manoj Tiwari, Manoj Tiwari is like very underrated.
I don't know about Manoj Tiwari because Manoj Tiwari is more of a
He
ODI
did really
player
good for
than a
KKR
T20
also.
player.
Yeah, like he did really good for KKR also in 2012. The Maiden Cup. He was there with Shakibul Hassan and like he played really good. Like he gave a stand.
mm,
That's what like changed the game. When Jack Callis got out, they thought like Chennai might win easily because like it was Shakibul Hassan and a new batsman. But this guy played really good and they made like what 16 runs from
But
six
then again, that
balls
is way back when.
against
We are
Bravo
talking about 2020.
2012. Yeah, but the thing like
wow,
our
such
BCCI
a
is
great,
BCCI. They don't give chance also.
such a great thing talking
Okay,
about
you know what?
2012 in 2020.
I would agree with you that at one point Manoj Tiwari should have been picked by the BCCI for India.
Yeah,
But I don't think there is any case to make for Manoj Tiwari being in an IPL team right now.
I don't
I
know
mean,
how in which team he is also.
he hasn't performed that well. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know which team also he is in. So, yeah,
Which team is Manoj Tiwari? And I think he went
yeah,
unsold, right?
unsold. Yeah, unsold. Yeah, he went unsold.
I remember he tweeted complaining about it as well.
Yeah, it's so weird. I seriously can't think about someone I feel is underrated.
I feel there are a lot of
Yeah,
great players in IPL actually.
like
See, it's like there's
I think
almost
Namunoja.
everyone.
Namanoja, yeah, after one point I felt he just wasn't picked anymore, which is kind of sad.
Yeah,
No, but
he
I
did really
think,
good for Sunrisers.
yeah, he was good, but then he was very inconsistent with his bat. Very inconsistent. Like, there was this one season he played really well, and people were like, "Oh, he'll play good. He do stuff."
Yeah.
But then after that, he started getting out.
Another guy that I felt was kind of unfairly not picked after a certain point of time is Pragyan Ojha. Pragyan Ojha was like the guy,
Yeah,
he was basically on the same level as Amit Mishra. He could get you wickets, and those wickets were guaranteed at a low economy rate. I feel he was chucked out of the game too early, and then he retired, of course.
See, also one player, I wouldn't call him like something he underrated, overrated, or whatever, but one player who improved a lot, even though he was old, but then he wasn't rated even after he improved. I think it's Yusuf Pathan. Like
Oh
Yusuf Pathan. Yeah,
definitely.
the way he developed from that आके छक्का मार के out होके जाएगा to that one
Pick
holding,
सकता है वो.
yeah, कि हाँ, I mean that turnover was great, but then again in his last season he was again inconsistent. But
Yeah.
then you have to understand that age is a factor that plays a major role. But then that
Mhm.
the 3 years that he had was insane, man. Insane.
I feel one
When
Another
Yuvraj Singh,
underrated player we can talk about, right, would be Murli Vijay. I feel Murli
Yeah.
Vijay, okay, he's given enough credit for his performances for Chennai up to 2015, but then post 2015, I do not see Murli Vijay playing enough for Chennai, and I feel there are so many situations where Murli Vijay could have played instead of X player. He can open, he can comes at one certain point at the middle order and anchor the innings also sometimes. I feel for
Yeah, but
that
I
reason
just
he should
remember
be picked.
but like if
last
you
year.
look like that, like even Yuvraj Singh, like he was like highest bid by RCB 16 crores. After that, he went to Delhi, then Sunrisers, then Mumbai. Like
Yeah.
even in Sunrisers, they didn't give him proper chance. Like then he came to Mumbai, and now he's like unsold in last
See,
auction.
it's like
So even Yuvraj Singh is underrated.
see, see, it's like him not getting chance. It's because of his inconsistency. Like no
Yeah.
doubt, he was great when he was at his prime, but then when you buy someone for 16 crores, you expect him to deliver for
Yeah,
at
for
least
15 crores.
yeah, and like for at least 10 matches out of the 14 matches. Like it's okay if you get out in 0, 1 or 2, but then don't do that often. Like
Hmm.
Yeah,
I mean, I understand it's not even in his hand. He got valued at 16 crore, but then there are certain expectations with money, and then when people don't live up to it, then they are just not being played. Who else knows it better than me, who's a Mesa Tosil fan? Okay, let's not get there.
shout out to
Yeah.
all the Jaidev Unadkat fans.
Hey, he played. Okay, he played. He played as well.
One question I have, okay, in the field of cricket, okay, I just, especially like IPL and stuff, right? How is it that there are so many like different variations of cricket that people can tolerate? Like, okay, T20 I get, okay, and like ODIs and all of that I get, but who the hell watches a test match that goes on for like 5, 6 days
See,
and is like so excited by it? Like, how
see,
did you sit for
okay,
five
okay.
days?
See, I'll go first. I'll go first. See,
Rishi, after
I
Rishi, me.
think, yeah, I think even Pradyumna and Subhash will agree with me here. You get to see the best cricket in a test match.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
like, like the
Yes.
like the shots. I think everything. See, I agree it's boring. Personally, for me also, I can't, like, I zone out. But then I try to watch because after either like 20, 30 balls, there will be one that shot that can literally be heavy when you consider it with other shots. Like it's so good. And like the true cricket comes in that test match, and that is what
Yeah.
Harsha Bhogale said as well, right?
The truth is, I've never successfully watched a test match for more than 5 minutes.
Look,
I've seen that.
let me make my case now. See, with the test match, right? It is actually a story that is written over 5 days. A test match is literally a story that is written over 5 days. I mean, if
भाई
it,
तेरे पाँव कहाँ है? तेरे पाँव कहाँ है? मेरे को तेरे पाँव छूना है. क्या क्या वर्ड यूज किया? क्या बात है? क्या बात है? मजा आ गया.
Story,
Story for 5 days.
Mahabharat.
yes,
क्या बात है?
it is that massive, and I'll tell you why. The a test match is an incredible test of resilience. Okay,
Yeah, I'm fine.
you need to be
It is too, so that's it.
you need to be on the pitch for 5 hours as a batsman, not get injured, score a substantial total, and do it within a short enough period of time so that you also get a chance to get the other team out. And the best part about a test match is that if your team doesn't get out, you don't lose, which is where the role of somebody like a Dravid, VVS Lakshman, Alistair Cook, Pujara,
Pujara.
which is where these kind of players really come into the factor. These guys can play on the pitch for 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, and they will just make the bowlers sad. And when you've got the bowling side, you've got bowlers like Brett Lee, you've got bowlers like Ishant Sharma, you've got Zahir Khan. you've got Shane Warne, you've got Muralidharan, Anil Kumble. These great test bowlers are that great because they come into the pitch and break the spirit of the team.
Man,
This
I
is
still
what the
remember.
test is all about.
I still remember that video I sent you of Ashwin clean bowling Alistair Cook
Yeah,
5 times and in the same possible way.
it's
Like
like a carom ball all the time. Carom ball, carom
yeah,
ball, carom ball.
all the 5 balls looked as if it's one play being repeated 5 times. Okay, I
I
think now
also believe
Subhash
Subhash has
can.
an argument to make here.
Yeah, Subhash, go for it.
I feel like test match is the best because you like we get to see the real bowler, like a real batsman, like their skills and all. Like they can swing the ball like or different. Like you see, like when they serve the first 1 hour of the test match, you can say like who might win the test match and all. Like the thing. Like so, I think test match is the best, better than T20. Rahul, you should see test match. Yeah. That too, my favorite will be India versus Australia,
See, that's the thing. I
the recent one.
appreciate the test match. I can understand how it works. Okay. I can appreciate that there are people who
Yeah.
would stand there for 5 days in a row most of the time where they play continuously so that they win this long drawn match. Okay, it's cool. Okay, but that's the same thing as watching a stalemate happen in chess. Okay, it's not exactly satisfying until the last moment for me. So all I do is end up sometimes hearing someone say talk about it or watch a highlight because you look at this guy and he'll just be like standing there casually like this. The ball will come and he'll go tuck and then he'll go stand like this. I've seen people just standing like this the entire time for the entire test match, and I'm like, what is so exciting?
Okay, see,
How
Bro,
is this exciting?
bro, it's so funny because you actually look like a test cricketer with that white t-shirt right now.
okay, see, I think you can make an argument in that manner because as time has gone on, right, we've got so many things to preoccupy ourselves with that we don't need to watch test matches anymore, frankly, from an entertainment point of view. But when I don't have anything to do and you give me a test match to watch, I am going to watch it with all the excitement of an ODI and a T20 match. I feel that is the way cricket works for me.
Yeah.
Okay, now moving on to our actual podcast topic. Last prediction. Who do you think is going to win the
Orange
orange
cap.
cap, and who do you think is going to win the purple cap?
Who the?
Hey, uh,
For me, I think.
I think for me,
You go,
orange cap. Yeah, for me, orange cap might be Aaron Finch for the first time. Aaron Finch, I can bet on Aaron Finch
I feel orange cap is going to be a toss up between
because like
Virat Kohli and David Warner.
I think orange cap is David Warner, purple cap is Bumrah.
Purple cap is
Bumrah.
Bumrah.
Because I mean, Bumrah won't be the ideal bet for me, but then I don't see, as in there's so much competition with that thing with the purple cap, because every season there are like so many good bowlers and so many new amazing bowlers emerging. At least they are in the race, but then when you see all the competitors for the orange cap, it's the same people. And then in the last 2 years, Warner has been having a difference of, I
Yeah,
don't know
but
how
then
many.
again, Warner has always been a god of T20s of sorts, and
Yeah, man.
Virat Kohli always has this amazing consistency. Then you've always got AB de Villiers coming up and down somewhere. Then you've got
I
Russell
think
coming in.
I think it will be Warner because he is he's just a set batsman. Like you just see now, he came after an year ban, and then he was still the same. Like he started
Yeah,
from where
his
he left.
mentality is amazing. He comes
Yeah,
first ball, tuck, done. He's ready to hit a six.
yeah. And with Russell, I don't see Russell, AB de Villiers, and all being like winning the orange cap because they are more of uh, Russell. He's more of a finisher kind of guy, who comes at the end.
Yeah.
And then De Villiers, the problem with De Villiers is that no doubt he's an amazing batsman, but then he will play in that like his typical zone whenever RCB is collapsing. Like I haven't seen any match in recent times when RCB's top order has collectively performed well. The last time I saw it,
I think probably the last time I saw that happening was Gujarat Lions.
yeah, exactly. Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers in that
Villiers.
green jersey. I was just going to mention that. Like, they collectively want to score runs, or else it's just people collectively wanting to score runs to save themselves and the team. So yeah, I think it will be Warner, and the reason why it won't be De Villiers and Russell is what I just said. Yeah.
Rahul, who do you think is going to score the most runs in the IPL?
Gale, and entertaining people. Like the guys who just come in and they're like, oh, and then they do some like cool shit, right? So if anything, I just randomly assume with my bias, I'll assume Gale will score the best runs.
See, I feel you've actually got a point over there also because it's Gale in the end. You never know.
Yeah, it's Gale. Yeah.
Yeah.
My orange cap prediction might be Aaron Finch because the same will play opener, like full-time opener for RCB, so he might get chance. So he's consistent also. Like we saw, like he scored 40, 46, 39 in a T20 match, 3 T20 match. So he's consistent. And purple cap, I think Bravo.
I feel both of you are actually making a weak point with the purple cap because Pacers don't usually get purple caps, especially in a spin condition pitch. I feel the purple cap is much more of a competition than the orange cap in that sense because purple cap.
Yeah, that is why I said right. Purple cap, it's really hard to guess because there's so much competition.
Yeah.
So I just went with the best bowler in.
I feel the purple cap killer is a competition for me involves somebody like Chahal, Harbhajan Singh, Piyush Chawla. Is Imran Tahir playing?
Yeah.
Then of course Imran Tahir will be there in the competition.
Imran Tahir, yeah. Imran Tahir can be a great.
You've got Amit Mishra. I feel to an extent Lamit Chhane will also be in that running.
No, I think it will be Imran Tahir then.
Rashid Khan will be there. Lots of players again. But then for me, it is only the spinners. And maybe there's a Pat Cummins involved.
Pat Cummins will be critical and Pat Cummins will be good with swing. But I mean, he will definitely take wickets. But I still feel there will be a difference. A gap of too many wickets between the Purple Cap winner and Pat Cummins.
Okay, and a bonus question thrown at you. Subhash was actually.
Subhash ka message, na?
Huh.
Yeah.
So a bonus question thrown at you. Who do you think is going to end up with the most sixes?
I think it's pretty much.
I'm going to go with Gale.
I'm going to go with my man who is in my team.
Who?
Andre Russell!
Hey, is Bravo still in CSK?
Yeah.
Okay, then Bravo.
Bro, oh, yeah. Bravo doesn't bat much anymore, actually. Now do I look like
Really?
a part of the RCB squad?
Yeah.
I don't think so, but it feels like RCB's logo is your face. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, Asu Arya, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share the hashtag Chahal comment on our post.